So what I've been trying to talk about is this little area right here, right? You have this bend. Nothing sticks to this kind of carpet. It's different from the back of the seat carpet. So I thought I'd be smarter than everybody, and I would use the carpet that came with the vehicle because it has these nibs, and I'd run it, but I didn't realize it doesn't go all the way. Well, here's the industrial grade Velcro I've been trying to get to stick. Let's take this for example. Let's go down here. It doesn't stick at all. There's no sticking. And this is highly adhesive stuff. So I don't know what to do at this point.